Frustrated with the Checks module DLL pop-up blocking localized validation manifest? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we dive into the Checks module manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Checks module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume software suites, including older financial and creative tools, to house their integrity check routines. It performs a checksum verification of the application's core files at startup to prevent tampering. Because it performs deep file system scanning, it is frequently quarantined by antivirus heuristics. Its absence prevents the software from passing its self-validation, resulting in an application security violation error. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since Checks module DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Validation Manifest Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If the Redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Checks module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Replacing Checks module without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. One approach to reviewing Checks module references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Checks module functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.